Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're having a problem-solving day. This is Auto Repair, and today we're diving into the causes and solutions for the P0420 code. The P0420 code stands for Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 1. Essentially, this means the oxygen sensors are sending signals to the engine control module, ECM, that indicate the catalytic converter isn't functioning effectively. How the system works. The oxygen sensor before the catalytic converter should show fluctuating voltage readings, typically between 0.3 volts and 0.8 volts. The oxygen sensor after the catalytic converter, on the other hand, should display a more stable, consistent voltage with minimal fluctuation. The reason the second sensor has steadier readings is that the catalytic converter is supposed to reduce harmful emissions. When the converter isn't working properly, the second sensor's readings start to fluctuate more, resembling the pre-cat sensor. At this point, the ECM detects the issue and triggers the check engine light with the P0420 code. Common causes of the P0420 code. 1. Faulty catalytic converter. This is the most common reason for the code. 2. Malfunctioning oxygen sensor. A faulty sensor can send incorrect readings to the ECM. 3. Damaged or corroded connectors. Worn-out connections can disrupt signal accuracy. 4. Exhaust leak. Before the catalytic converter, leaks introduce excess oxygen, causing the sensor to read incorrectly. 5. ECM software update. In rare cases, an outdated ECM may need a software update. Solutions for the P0420 code. To fix the problem, you'll need to address the root cause. Here are some potential solutions. 1. Test the catalytic converter. If it's clogged, try a catalytic converter cleaning chemical. This method is simple, cost-effective, and might save you from a replacement. 2. Use an oxygen sensor spacer. This can trick the ECM into ignoring the issue, turning off the check engine light. Note that this doesn't solve the underlying problem, but it's a temporary workaround. 3. Inspect for other issues. Check for exhaust leaks, damaged connectors, or faulty oxygen sensors and repair them as needed. 4. Replace the catalytic converter. If the converter is beyond repair, replacement is the only option.